What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to load up the trailer with all 4 of the horses. We're going to hook it up to the Dodge, we're going to run down to the scales, and we're going to see how much everything weighs. We're also going to see how well the Dodge can tow that trailer with 4 horses in it, fully loaded. So take your guesses, leave it in the comments. Let's get to it. So let me give you guys a quick rundown on the setup. This is a 94 Belore 4-horse trailer, gooseneck, a steel frame, fiberglass sides, and aluminum structure on the inside. And now over here to the truck, we've got a 98.5 24 valve Cummins. It's a 5-speed manual NV 4500 single disc South Bend clutch on 35-inch tires, 410 gear ratio. And basically for mods, we've got a lift pump, we've got a cold air intake, and a straight pipe, and no tuning whatsoever. That's it. Oh, we've also got a BD boost fooler in it. So we are going to get loaded up, get hooked up, and we're gonna see what she can do. So we're on the road. We're about 2 minutes away from the weigh station, and we're gonna find out how heavy this rig is. It definitely feels heavy. The most horses I've towed with this trailer, yeah, 2 horses. So this is 4 now, so we've got double the weight of normal. And you can definitely tell. But I'm really curious to see what it's gonna weigh. What's your guess? Total truck, trailer, horses, everything weight.
I don't know. Maybe 10,000? I don't know.
Way higher than 10,000.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
I'm gonna say 17.5.
Oh wow. I'm way off.
That's my guess. Before we get to the weigh station, that's my guess. You want to readjust yours?
No, because you know more about all the stuff that we have than I do.
I'm thinking 17,000. 17.5. So we'll see. So I'll catch up with you guys when we pull into the scale, and we'll see what we weigh. First way?
Number 3.
All right, so the results are in. Total weight is 17,740 pounds. So the whole truck, normally you'd have a drive axle weight, which is the rear axle. In this case, both axles ended up on the front scale. So that's why we got 10,060 on the front scale and nothing on the rear scale. And the trailer axle was 7,680 pounds. So we did the math, and we know the trailer is 5,180 pounds, and we know the horses are 4,560 pounds. So that's a total weight of 9,740 pounds for the trailer, and that leaves about 8,000 pounds for the truck. So I think the truck does pretty good towing 17,000 pounds. So we're gonna head home. I'll get some more footage on the way home, and we'll wrap it up. Alright guys, so we're back home now. I think the truck did really good towing this trailer. I can't believe that its total weight we're at over 17,000 pounds. So we're home now. We're gonna get something to eat. We gotta get these horses unloaded, get them out back out in the pasture, and get the trailer unhooked, and then we're gonna grab some food ourselves. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I've really been requested a lot a towing video with my truck, so I hope this was good. If you guys liked it, let me know. If there's anything that I could have improved on, also let me know that too. I read every single comment, so if you guys have anything to say, let me have it. And I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day.